Google Maps just got a serious AI glow-up as Google has rolled out a new wave of AI-powered tools that can turn anyone from hobbyists to hardcore coders into an interactive map maker. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Google is using its own Gemini models as a secret weapon to power everything, from smart map design to instant code generation. The best feature is a new builder agent that acts like your personal map architect. Just describe what you want, like say, create a street view tour of Paris or show me real-time weather across my state, and the AI will spin up a working prototype in seconds. You can preview it, change the code, or export it straight into Firebase Studio to keep building. For developers who live and breathe Maps APIs, Google's also dropping a brand new MCP server, an AI toolkit that connects directly with Maps documentation. It's basically like a supercharged code assistant that answers questions, writes snippets, and helps you troubleshoot on the go. This is built on Google's early Gemini integrations, including command line extensions that let developers pull live map data into their own projects. But this time, the focus is on creativity and speed, and it's turning ideas into interactive experiences with just a few words. In short, Google Maps isn't just for navigation anymore. It's turning into an AI playground where anyone can build the next viral map-based app with no advanced coding skills. Are you going to use this feature? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.